Dipen from Pune, and this is day 2 of IVW. I have been trying to vlog since 2 days, but the music is so loud and I didn't want any copyright issues. Even right now, some announcement is going there, and that noise too is really loud. So I'm gonna try and shout and record stuff, and show you guys what the stuff is around over here. Probably it will be a very quick video, and I'll just go around stalls and क्या क्या आए हैं, कौन आए हैं, उतना दिखा दूंगा. Of course अपनी बाइक इधर खड़ी है ऑटलॉक डिजाइन्स पे, एंड एक्सप्लोरर डोमिनार एक्सप्लोरर पे खड़ी है, उस पे आया हूँ मैं. इट्स विद द इन्विक्टस सैडल बैग्स के साथ लगाई हुई है. Here's मुकुल, सोनल, स्टैंड इन फ्रंट, एंड here's Dirtlog, Hotlog. कुछ बाइक्स यहाँ पे लगाई हैं. इनके बराबर सामने था रॉयल राइडर्स. they've got a lot of RRG and stuff. And here's Nico, and I picked up a helmet जो हुडर सामने लगाया हुआ है, वो अपना है. So उसका एक सेपरेट वीडियो बनेगा, like what are the features and all. I'll put up a separate video for that. ये एक स्टॉल था, बट ये कहाँ गए पता नहीं. And we've got 100 kmph Hotlog and 100 kmph both side by side. And here's Venom and ASG. यहाँ पे है लोग. We have Senna over here. We have Bike and Biker over here. अच्छी खासी बाइक्स लगी हुई है बाइक एंड बाइकर पे. Lot of stuff put up. जाना का है, पुतरान का है, एयर फिल्टर्स है, lot of stuff. Here's the stuff. ऑल दी एक्सेसरीज, कीवी वगैरह के जो भी हैं, लोडेड बाइक्स. उन्होंने एटलीस्ट 5-6 बाइक्स यहाँ पे लगाए हुए हैं. एंड कमिंग टू आवर स्पेशल स्टॉल, इन्विक्टस. पूरा रश है अभी. आई प्रोबेबली टेक अनदर स्मॉल क्लिप वंस आई नो दिस इज वेकेंट. वी हैव टीम ड्रिवन ओवर हियर, एंड सन्ना तो पास में था. उसके सामने वी हैव क्रैंक वन ओवर हियर. We have Crank One, then Indian Motor Rush is here, Creators Co is here, Possible, I don't know what they're into. Inline 4 is here for stickers and all this stuff. Carbonado is here, and this is our friends. That is our friend Mr. Mayur.
Mr. Mayur Patel, he is my friend. He's not your friend, he's my friend. He's not your friend, he's my friend.
Shoal.
He is my friend.
Shoal. So आगे मिलते हैं थोड़ी देर में. Up here, lot of accessories, stickers, सब बेच रहे हैं यहाँ पे. उस साइड पे फूड स्टॉल्स वगैरह है. वहाँ पे एक थ्रॉटल स्टोर है. यहाँ पे कल दे वर सेलिंग मॉन्स्टर, बट आज वो भी नहीं है, शिफ्ट हो गया कहाँ पे. देन here's you guys favorite Rhinox. I won't go here inside because सबको पता है क्या है Rhinox, क्या नहीं है. Here's the 6 km something, I don't know what. Here's LMD, इनका क्या है पता नहीं. I guess they're selling again shirts, jerseys and all, t-shirt jerseys and all. Here we got Big Wheels and हमारे प्यारे जेसल भाई.
Hi Dipen, how are you?
All
After
good.
a long time.
So Jaisal bhai is here.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you.
And he's all his stuff put up here. So already you know Jaisal, and you've seen the videos on my channel, so you can check around his stuff. Inka Instagram bhi, I'll leave it in the video description, or probably you can ping me on Instagram and I'll share you the details. And here is Jaisal ka bike, fully done. जब मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम बाइक की थी इसकी, वो रेड थी पूरी. नाउ ही इज डन अ रैप ऑन इट. ही इज गॉट डिफरेंट क्रैश गार्ड्स, डिफरेंट बीक. ही डज लॉट्स ऑफ राइड्स ऑन इट, एंड दैट्स व्हाई द कंडीशन इज लाइक दैट. ही रिसेंटली केम बैक फ्रॉम अ राइड. उसके बाद उसको IBW की तैयारी करनी थी, एंड सो दैट्स व्हाई द बाइक इज नॉट सो रेडी. देन वी हैव Veroc over here. वी गॉट Motor Torque. Motor Torque is again selling some accessories. This looks like e-cycle over here. Mad over bikers, roadies club. This is our Sonu sir. Sonu sir, hi bol do.
Hi.
Hello.
So he's also into accessories and stuff. Mad over bikers. हो सके तो इनका मैं एक सेपरेट ब्लॉग करूँगा एंड सो दैट यू कैन गेट इन टच विद देम. वी गॉट पॉलीट्रॉन आउट हियर. सर से हाई फॉर मी. And this stall is from Pune. He's got Super Bison store, the Bison Super Store. Lot of stuff put up here. कल 10 भी थी यहाँ पे, but probably today it's gone on this display up. I absolutely did not get a chance to vlog yesterday. We got throttle store here, then Vaishno Lighting Solutions, definitive detailing कोई है नहीं, radar के gears official है, and let's catch our man. Sir, please say hi for me.
Hello.
So our
You are
boy,
not asking me hi.
please join.
अभी लाडू शूट थोड़ी देर के बाद. अभी मुझे जाना है वहाँ पे.
Sure, sure. No. He has to go out for his talks. Here is gear and throttle. अपने KT sir का है. Again, these guys are from Pune. Actually, most of the stalls here, you know, maybe at least 25% of Pune. तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था. This is dirt sack here, and I bought a bag from here. So which I'll show you. You know, once I reach home, I'll probably do a small video over it. So this is their stock they put up here. Bags, their panniers, racks, everything is here. And of course bike and banner पे, bike and biker पे आगे वापस हम. We have, if I mispronounce something, अगर pronounce ठीक से नहीं करता तो माफ कर देना. This is Armadillo over here. Wrap Me Up भी है. Revia Soul is here. And we are back at Invictus. That's okay. And that's Saurabh over here. And we've put up the Himalayan bags, the saddle bags, the tail bags. All stuff is here. The Savio के मोज़ो पे display भी लगाया है, and we've got Saurabh's Himalayan also for display. Music start हो गया है. I'll again get some copyright stuff, so I'm gonna end here. आगे कुछ chance मिला तो I'll record again. स्वप्निल भाई की है. He's from the Mojo tribe. He's also here, but घूम रहे हैं आसपास. So that's how the IBW is. वहाँ पे events चल रहे हैं. That is the events ground over there. So if I get a chance, you know, I'll try and go there and capture some stuff for you. आते Ultimate Mojo भी आ गई यहाँ पे. We'll make again dedicated video on this thing for what all work has been done. And इधर फिर से सब शुरू हो गया आवाज़ and all. I need to again shout. हम Harley Davidson पोस्टर S लगे हुए हैं यहाँ पे. लोगों ने सेल्फीज वगैरह लिए हैं, यहाँ पे फोटोज लिए हैं. And there are classic bikes over here, really beautiful ones. DSA, a lot of DSAs, Norton, BMW, some Paris, Dakar, BMW. एक Yamaha है यहाँ पे, 3 Yamaha है. Norton DSA, Red Bull and Monster.
And the seats are quite high, right? So, for
Monsters
some
on
of
the
the
head,
shorter
but they're
riders,
full
what is it to ride a bike like this? Like,
Off-road bike sure. And little buggy. Copyright music stuff.
back next year, and on that note, ladies and gentlemen, you can follow him. That's
A lot of big bikes here.
the man himself, the super happy man right here. Coming at Crazy Kapoor, that's KRAZYKAPTU, Crazy Kapoor. And feel free to talk to him. Where's your stall, by the way? Where's your stall? Point them towards your stall.
My stall is on screen there.
Evening scenes at IBW. Day 2 we were expecting lot of crowd, but आज फिर भी बहुत कम crowd था. In fact अभी बहुत empty पड़ा है. वैसे ये जो lights देख रहे हैं ये आज लगे हैं, कल तो थे नहीं. शिल्पा मैम. all tired? We are all tired.